So I was already invested probably maybe $4,000 or $5,000 into the car before I even saw it. When I opened the storage unit and I looked at the car, I was amazed how beautiful it is. And of course, you know, I had the passion to take it immediately and restore it and like give it everything else. But looking into everything and seeing all the dust and the rust and the age and the years of accumulating moisture and humidity and the weather changes and like looking how many parts are missing, I was like, man, what have we got ourselves into?
One of the biggest issues was the rust, like a lot of rust. Somebody already tried to fix it, and per se it was fixed, but it's still rust under whatever they tried to fix. The vehicle is on a rotisserie, so we can flip 360 degrees the car. So all this time, you know, we have moving the vehicle around. We did the weldings and seam sealer, you know, try to make it as original as possible. We basically, you know, sandblast the whole car and have the frame, the bottom of the car, in and out bare metal. And after that, you know, we treat it with the epoxy primer, and then that's how we get rid of the rust. All the gaps, all the seams are 100% sealed, and then replicate the texture. Make sure all the lines and everything are good. Basically do it by hand.